In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a slide-like layout in Google Sheets on desktop. If you want a clean, presentation-style canvas without leaving your spreadsheet, this approach turns a regular sheet into something that looks and feels like a slide deck while keeping your data close by. Start by opening Google Sheets in your desktop browser and creating a new blank sheet or opening the file where you want the layout. The desktop interface gives you the full toolbar and makes dragging and resizing much easier, which is ideal for design-style work like this. Next, shape the page by adjusting row heights and column widths to create sections. Click and drag the borders between column letters to make some columns wider for content and others narrower for spacing. Do the same with row numbers to create taller areas for headlines or visuals. If you want consistent sizing, select multiple columns or rows at once, then right-click and choose Resize to enter an exact width or height. Think of this like setting the margins and content blocks you'd see on a slide. Now, merge cells to form large content areas. Highlight a rectangular block where you want a title or a main content box, then click the Merge Cells button in the toolbar. You can merge across columns for wide headers or across rows for tall panels. If you already typed text, don't worry, it will stay in the upper left cell. After merging, use horizontal and vertical alignment controls to center the content and turn on text wrapping so longer lines fit neatly. With your layout in place, add text, charts, or images inside those merged sections. Type headlines, captions, or key points directly into the merged cells, increase the font size, and adjust alignment for a polished look. For charts, select your data and go to Insert, then Chart. Position and resize the chart so it sits comfortably within your merged area. For images, use Insert, then Image, and choose Image over Cells so you can freely move and scale it to match your design. Keep spacing consistent so everything looks deliberate and easy to read. Finally, hide grid lines for a clean, slide-style look. Go to View, then Show, and uncheck grid lines. Instantly, the sheet transforms into a minimalist canvas that resembles a presentation slide without the distraction of the underlying grid. That's it. You've opened your sheet, shaped sections with row and column sizing, merged cells for large content blocks, placed text, charts, and images, and removed grid lines for a sleek finish. Save your file, and you're ready to share or display it just like a slide.